This demonstration, I'm going to show you Blackspot Algae Remover. As you can see, this piece of stone, we've got algae, there's blackspot, lichen, all sorts of grime that develop over the winter. This side of it we've cleaned previously to show you what it should look like. And I'm going to do a demonstration on this half to show you how quickly it works. Normally you'd spray it on, but in this instance for the demo, we're just going to pour it on. So, pour an amount on there, spread it around the surface, making sure you cover everything. Give it a good soak. Obviously you don't dilute this product, you use it neat out the bottle. Again, leave it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, making sure you keep it wet. Then give it a good scrub and hose it away if possible, or extract it with a sponge, depending on how big the area. As you can see, it's working really well already. So we'll just extract that off now with a sponge. And that's how easy it is. Once more. So there we go. As you can see, that was where we started on that line, and that's what we've just done. And it's taken a few minutes. So here we are. Now the stone's completely dry, and you can clearly see the difference from before.